live in Howrah, very near to Kolkata, and after a long time, I'm traveling. We started off in the morning. It's a 60-minute drive to Kolaghat. Today, I just want to feel the air, the river, and a lot of nature. Kolaghat is also reachable by train. At the beginning, when we reached Kolaghat, we saw only fog. It was covered with fog. Even the famous thermal power plant was hardly visible. Slowly, it started clearing out. The sun started gazing through the fog. Boat ride showed us more than we expected. My words are not enough to tell you about the calmness of the river. Okay then, a river doesn't just carry water, it carries life. Looking at the towering bridges, it seems we have built too many walls and not enough bridges. You don't build walls, you build bridges between people. There are 3 bridges in total in Kolaghat, and when seen in parallel, they look amazing. Our visit to Kolaghat was much refreshing to me.